वो भी क्या दिन थे कसम से। हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द डेज वर रियली, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द डेज वर रियली। आप भी क्या इंसान हो सच में। हाउ ग्रेट अ पर्सन यू आर रियली, हाउ ग्रेट अ पर्सन यू आर रियली। क्या हो अगर वो तुम्हारा दिल तोड़ दे तो। What if he breaks your heart? What if he breaks your heart? अगर वो आपकी बात न माने तो। What if he doesn't obey you? What if he doesn't obey you? जिंदगी हमें शायद दूसरा मौका न दे। Maybe life doesn't give us another chance. Maybe life doesn't give us another chance. वो मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका न दे। Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. कितना बदल गया है तू। How changed you are. How changed you are. समय कितना बदल गया है। How changed the time is. How changed the time is. काश तुम मेरे होते। I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. काश मैं तुम्हारा होता। I wish I were yours. I wish I were yours. पागल हो गया है क्या तू। Are you mad or what? Are you mad or what? ये बिल्डिंग है या फिर Is it a building or what? Is it a building or what? ये पेन है या फिर Is it a pen or what? Is it a pen or what? जो हो रहा है होने दो। Let happen whatever is going on. Let happen whatever is going on. हम इसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं Let nature take its course. Let nature take its course. यादें आज भी धुंधली नहीं हुई हैं। Memories are not yet vanished. Memories are not yet vanished. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की पर सब बेकार। I tried a lot but all in vain. I tried a lot but all in vain. मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई की पर सब बेकार। I studied a lot but all in vain. I studied a lot but all in vain. शायद ही किसी ने मुझे ढूंढने की कोशिश की हो। I don't think if someone tried to look for me. I don't think if someone tried to look for me. वो शायद ही कभी मुझसे मिल पाए। I don't think if he could ever meet me. I don't think if he could ever meet me. अगर वो तुम्हें पैसे वापस ना दे तो What if he doesn't return you the money? What if he doesn't return you the money? अगर वो तुमसे बात ना करे तो What if he doesn't talk to you? What if he doesn't talk to you? मुश्किल से 10 रुपए होंगे मेरे वॉलेट में। There would hardly be ₹10 in my wallet. There would hardly be ₹10 in my wallet. मैंने इस साल शायद ही कोई छुट्टी ली है। I have hardly taken a leave this year. I have hardly taken a leave this year. शिक्षा इंसान को सभ्य बनाती है. Education makes one civilized. Education makes one civilized. होनी को कौन टाल सकता है? Who can change the destiny? Who can change the destiny? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? अपने दिल को कैसे समझाऊं? How do I convince my heart? How do I convince my heart? हम इसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं How shall I convince my heart? How shall I convince my heart? तुमने कचरे को जलवाया है. You have got the garbage burnt. You have got the garbage burnt. काश उसे मेरे दुख का एहसास होता. I wish he had the feel of my pain. I wish he had the feel of my pain. आप में से कितने मॉर्निंग वॉक पर जाते हैं? How many of you go on a morning walk? How many of you go on a morning walk? पैसा देना आसान है, लेना बहुत मुश्किल. It's easy to lend money, but very difficult to take back. It's easy to lend money, but very difficult to take back. आज के बाद मुझे कभी फोन मत करना. Don't ever call me again. Don't ever call me again. उसने पुलिस को सूचित कर दिया. इस वाक्य को हम दो तरीके से कह सकते हैं, जैसे He reported to police. He reported to police. या हम इसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं He informed the police. He informed the police. मैं इस मामले में चश्मदीद गवाह हूं. I am an eyewitness in this case. I am an eyewitness in this case. अपराधी को बरी कर दिया गया. इस वाक्य को हम इंग्लिश में कई तरीके से बना सकते हैं, जैसे The criminal was acquitted. The criminal was acquitted. या इसे हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं The accused was acquitted. The accused was acquitted. आग बुझा दो कहीं चारों ओर न फैल जाए. Put out the fire lest it should spread around. Put out the fire lest it should spread around. वापिस आते हुए मैं उसके घर गया. On the way back I went to his home. On the way back I went to his home. मैं पौधों को पानी दे रहा हूं. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. हमने रास्ते में एक अजीब चीज देखी. We saw an awkward thing on the way. We saw an awkward thing on the way. मुझे डॉक्टर समझने की गलती मत करो. Don't mistake me for a doctor. Don't mistake me for a doctor. ये कमर तोड़ देने वाला काम है. This is a back paining work. This is a back paining work. मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खिलाओ. Feed me bit by bit. Feed me bit by bit. वो सुबह की ट्रेन से उतरा. He got off the morning train. He got off the morning train.